Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo. So if you also want to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome, or you can directly open PayPal application. Click on the search bar and type www.paypal.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to official website of PayPal. Here you can see several options. All you have to do is go to the send option, click on the send option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to provide the mobile number associated with your Venmo account. After that, you'll have to click on the option next. Then you'll be led to another kind of interface. There you'll have to provide the amount which you want to transfer to Venmo. Then click on the continue button. Then you'll have to select the payment type. Select the friends and family option and then click on continue and your money will be transferred to Venmo. So that is how you transfer money from PayPal to Venmo. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.